If you have clicked on this video, your brain is probably in these three modes right now. First, 30 hours a week? Only? That's so easy. Or 30 hours a week? That's so difficult. Or.
30 hours? Don't need a J spirit. Why are you acting lame? You studied 30 hours being a J spirit.
Calm down. I'm in my downfall era. I'm in my worst state. So, hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me, Naomi Loves. Before we talk about studies, J, and whatever, I have some good news. One of my videos crossed 100 views. That's how happy I am right now because now I think I can be the next Mr. Beast. Thank you guys. Let's be serious, guys. I'm in my worst state right now and I can't even complete 20 hours a day. I don't even remember the last time I actually completed 20 hours or even touched 20 hours in a week. So I'm in my worst state right now. And the fact that I only go coaching for 3 days in a week. So I do get time to do self study, but I have wasted my time and I need to lock in. And for that, I challenge myself to do 30 hours a week. And I don't know if I will be able to complete. And 30 hours a week means doing 4 hours 17 minutes each and every day. For me, doing 4 hours 17 minutes is a lot. So I also made some rules which I want to share it with you guys. So the first rule is no scrolling, no matter what, no YouTube, no Instagram, nothing. And second rule is I can watch YouTube, I can watch Sidemen, I can watch anything, but I will not start any K drama. I will not start any movie because if I start, I'll never stop. So yeah, you can watch YouTube, you can't watch Netflix, Prime Video, Hotstar, whatever. Need to study 4 hours 17 minutes. Of course, I already told you guys, but what I mean by this is, for example, if on Monday I studied 10 hours, so I would be like, oh, I studied 10 hours, so it's gonna cover my 4 or 70 minutes of every day. I need to at least study for 70 minutes no matter what. If I completed 10 hours on Monday, that doesn't mean that I can have a free time on Tuesday. I also need to study 4 or 70 minutes on Tuesday also because I want to be consistent. I don't want to just give my best just for the one day. And go for 30 minutes walk each and every day. That's so that I can also take care of my health. Let's start this challenge. Each and every day I will show you what are my tasks and what is my number of hours that I'm targeting for, and in which 4 or 17 minutes is going to be the minimum. If I am capable, smart, hardworking, whatever, I can do more than 4 or 17 minutes. So these are my Monday tasks which I will complete on Monday, and these are the number of hours that I'm targeting for. So yeah, let's start this challenge. Guys, right now it's 11:11 and I have not completed my 6 hours goal, but I did complete my minimum goal, which was 4 hours 17 minutes. And on my the tasks, only the maths lecture is completed, revision part is left, which I will do on Tuesday. So now I'm just going for walk and 30 minutes. So yeah, so my Monday is over with 4 hours 17 minutes. Good afternoon, guys. Let's start our day because I woke up very late. So it's like 1 o'clock. It's almost going to be 1 o'clock afternoon. So you know how much late I am. And I need to complete 4 hours, 17 minutes. So yeah, let's start. These are my tasks that I want to complete before the day ends. And these are the number of hours that I'm targeting for today. So yeah, I have reshooted this video so many times. I'll just be straightforward. I didn't went to my classes. Why? Because I saw the class will start at 4, but it already started at 2 o'clock. So if I go to my second class, the security guard will not let me go and they will make me write application, call my parents. So yeah. Second, I was scrolling for 47 minutes and saw an edit of Rak, and I got so excited. I watched that web series completely in day one. and I only did division of 2D for 30 minutes. So yeah, we have wasted our Tuesday, and we have broken all the rules, but it's okay. Let's have some hope, and I'll see you on Wednesday, guys. Hello, guys. Right now it's Wednesday, and these are my tasks that I want to complete before the day ends, and these are the number of hours that I'm targeting for today. And I hope I don't waste my day. That's the only thing I can tell you guys. Bye bye.
Hello guys, I know you can't hear me properly because I am not wearing my mic. I did switch off my fan so that you can hear me clearly. I have completed some of my tasks. Some of my tasks are still left. I have completed minimum number of hours, which was 4 hours 17 minutes. And tomorrow is my coaching. Now I'm going for a walk. Then I will bath. See you on Thursday, guys. Bye.
Hello guys, there's no vlog of Thursday. I was editing late at night, and then when I woke up, I saw this Amazon lights and I started decorating it. And there was another light for my sister's room, so it took a lot of time to decorate. Then I went to my class 8, had shawarma after my classes, and then after all this, it was 7 o'clock at night. What would I do in 5 hours? I thought I'd just make little bit content, then I will study for 2 hours. But I got panicked because I can't find this mic. It is of my pocket money. I was finding in each and every corner, my almari, my cupboard, my everything, and then I found it in my coaching bag. But it's okay, guys. Let's start our Friday with new hope. We need to complete 30 hours, no matter what. So these are my Friday tasks that I want to complete before the day ends, and these are the number of hours that I'm targeting for today. So yes, let's go. Bye. So Friday is ending and I've completed almost 8 hours. I know I wanted to study 12 hours, but okay. I have studied 8 hours, not 3 hours, 2 hours, or 0 hours. So I'm happy that I studied 8 hours. But I want to study 12 hours, but it's okay. My physics lectures is completed and PYQs is also done. So my 2 talks was completed and 8 hours of study is done. If I could study for more 4 hours, maybe all talks, I could have completed all my tasks, but it's okay. I'll see you on Saturday, guys.